Hello everyone and welcome back to Canon Cafe. Here we have this video for Gaggia Accademia espresso machine. Now for this machine we have to do a bit of work. We have to replace these two thermostats that you see right here on this tray. These ones right here are located right behind the machine. So you basically need to remove this panel, have the whole thing completely apart. Pull this panel from the back, then get underneath and you have to remove some of the brackets that are holding the whole thermo block itself. You have to remove the thermo block itself, then put these ones back in and put it back together. So it does take a while to get into these little ones. Once you have this machine, I deep clean this machine apart. I also deep clean the grinder and give it a little cleaner all around it. So yeah, that's all we did on this espresso machine. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. We will not be able to use any cappuccino, latte, or latte macchiato on the machine since we do not have the carafe of the machine. But we will still be able to use the steamer and the hot water one. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Really good color. Perfect quantity. Nice shot of espresso. Now we're gonna be testing the hot water. Okay, now the thermo block is ready. We're gonna see some hot water coming out of the one. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the hot water one. Excellent temperature as well. And now we'll be testing the steam. Nice steady steam coming out of the machine, excellent pressure, really good temperature. You cannot see the steam that much because today is very hot today in the shop, but this nice pressure and nice steam coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine. So there you have it, Gaggia Accademia working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that video, and thanks for watching.